today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make professional animated video without any software. Just grab your smartphone and let's head to www. Oops. Let's dive into it. Hey, buddy, tell me more about this amazing opportunity. I can't wait to create my first video. Haha! Before I show you how, remember, you owe me the world for that. Really? No worries, bro. Let's start. Trust me, you don't need any software to do this. All you need is a smartphone and a tool known as Polygon Studio. Wow! Are you kidding me? Is that all I need? That's all, bro. You don't need to be a pro before you can do this. The interface of Polygon is user-friendly and super easy to use. So, where do I get this tool? Polygon is available on all OS. If you are on Android, go to Google Play Store and search for Polygon Studio. Do same for iOS. You can also search Google for PC version, download, and install, and start making mind-blowing animated videos for free. No or little knowledge in video making is required. Thanks so much, McDave. That's so generous of you for giving out this lesson for free. God bless you, bro. If you find this video important, give it a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button as well. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon so you can get notified anytime I post videos of this kind. Thanks for watching McDave Innovation. Explore your world.